Okay, let's get a better angle. In a low point in your life, you strike a deal with the devil. You ask him to fulfill all your life's dreams. He agrees, but only if you beat his game.
If you lose your soul. If you win, you get what you desire.
But the catch is,
You
you
can't
can't
win.
win. Hello, and welcome to Helltris, our hell-themed Tetris game. My name is Abdurrahman Malisha,
My name is Mohammed Spinati.
and we're gonna be showcasing it and showing you our B58 final project. Welcome. Alright, so first of all, we're gonna go briefly over the first three milestones. As you can see, we have the three borders set up, the grid background, the Tetris pieces moving left and right, up and down, well not up, but like rotating. Okay, we also have the drop feature with the spacebar button, which wasn't mentioned, but we think that's a very fun feature. We also have the collision, as you can see. It's basically bulletproof, we hope. And the line clears. Eventually, my brother here will get it, and we can showcase it to you.
I might not get it, but I'll try my best. I'm pretty bad at Tetris.
What else?
Yeah.
If you can show like the Tetris is going to like the left wall and right wall.
Yeah, sure.
And I'll also do it for like the Tetris pieces, like go down and try to like go to the right on a Tetris piece.
Yeah.
Like right.
You literally can. Yeah. This is pretty nice. Yeah.
The way we implemented the collision frame, by the way, is pretty interesting. It's kind of intuitive, but we have like kind of a mock frame buffer where instead of like representing every like 4 bytes with, it's fine, I'll go over it quickly. Like instead of representing the frame buffer, we have like 4 bytes for the colors, right? We just do instead like 1 byte for each, which is like and we didn't present numbers. So 0 is empty, 1 is like filled, and we have like different numbers for each color, so we know how to fill them. You can now explain the gravity features for now.
Sure. Basically, gravity does the same thing as holding an S. It moves you down, and gravity increases by time by checking the frames of the game and basically increasing as like a time loop.
Yeah, basically like as long as like the frame, the screen is being redrawn, we increase time
Exactly.
and
So
whatnot.
in terms of frame.
Also sound effect.
Yeah, so sound effects, we were at the beginning we were hoping to add our custom sounds, but turned out you can't. In MIPS and in Mars, you have to. There's only predefined syscalls, and we were down at the beginning, but it turned out to be not bad because we found pretty cool syscalls.
Yeah, like you technically you can, but you have to map it out to like individual
byte by byte.
Yeah, you have to like.
Which is hard, crazy hard. Yeah.
Yeah, and by the way, the whole like Tetris theme thing that we went through was like a last minute change. Initially we had like a generic, like a colorful Tetris theme, but just playing around with the colors, we started noticing that the theme, playing around with the music and sound effects, we started noticing most of them were like horrific, kind of like the pause button I see. So we did that thing. Onto the pause button. We don't want this to take too long. We display text similar to how we are displaying the Tetris pieces. We have instead of a 4x4 array, we're using a 5x5 array to display like a wider range of letters. I just kind of want to mention something, like it mentions here, like say like the difficulties thing you encountered. We wanted to include like we have like a semi implementation of like the home screen and game over screen. If you can like try losing on purpose.
Sure.
Yeah, basically. And there's like also this like hell noise that we play like when you're like a third way through. We wanted to display more text onto the screen, but unfortunately we favored gameplay. No, unfortunately, I think that's more important. And the presentation, the whole theme thing. So we can't really necessarily like with our 32 units for 32 bits for pixels for each unit. It's kind of hard to display a lot of text, so we had to play around with it and like make it vertical. Also, it fits the theme, looks great, and the most important thing is that the game is very, very fun.
Yep.
Yeah, wasted a lot of hours just like playing around with it instead of actually doing work.
Yeah, the next feature is showing the outline drop. As you can see, there's a perfectly working outline drop, and it works but the same way as a block. It just had different matrix, you can say, or like a position, tx and y, and that's basically how it works. And we have a function for calculating how it should detect the blocks and everything. It's just the same thing as a normal to terminal. It just has a different color and it's in different position.
Yeah, basically. And the drop feature was just like take that position and just like push it down and then save onto our collision frame.
Yeah. We
Yeah,
hope
for
you
the
enjoyed our game.
yeah hard feature, I guess the last one, which like as you can see all the tetromino pieces.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's it.
We hope you enjoy the game. Have fun playing it. It could be horrific. Wait, try to get the line. Try to get like
Sure,
outline clear. No, don't put it. Don't put it up. No, no.
Oh, I couldn't.
Alright, wait. Pause the video. We'll get a line clear.
I'll take the deal.